Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about an easy trick for avoiding road rage. If you experience road rage frequently or even occasionally, then you should use this little trick, this little method to avoid experiencing road rage ever again. It's a little acronym that as soon as you think about it, your road rage will likely disappear. Now here's the acronym. FAIDO, FAIDO. Now what it stands for is forget about it, drive on. FAIDO, forget about it, drive on. Now when someone experiences road rage, oftentimes it's because another driver on the road does something that upsets the person. And we usually experience road rage because we don't know what else to do. We feel angry, and the only outlet that we feel that we have is to just lose our cool and scream and do bad road rage related things. But with this little acronym, FAIDO, what it does is it actually gives you an outlet. It tells you exactly what to do. It tells you to forget about it, drive on. It literally spells it out for you in the acronym, and it tells you what you can do to get rid of the road rage. So instead of not knowing what to do and only having one option, which is get angry, and that's the only way that you can let it out, you have another option now. You can forget about it and drive on. Now what I would recommend doing if you experience road rage frequently is actually getting the acronym, just writing it down on a piece of paper, and then like taping it somewhere to your dashboard so that if you are about to experience road rage, if someone on the road gets you angry, if another driver gets you so angry and you're about to lose your cool, you just look at that piece of paper, FAIDO, and you think about the acronym, forget about it, drive on. You're just going to feel this sense of relief because you have another outlet. Your mind knows what to tell your body to do. And it's easy to just, think, oh, I should just stay calm. I should just relax. But if you have an acronym, there's a higher likelihood that you're actually going to stick to it. If you just say to yourself when you're about to experience road rage, I should just keep my cool. I should just keep my cool. Take a deep breath and relax. That might work. But for some people, it's hard to escape that road rage. And if you're watching this video and you want to escape that road rage feeling, the FAIDO acronym can help you. Now, like I said, I would recommend putting it somewhere in your car so you can easily look towards it. But keep the acronym in your mind, most definitely, and then try to keep it somewhere that it's visible to you, okay? And if you are about to experience road rage, just remember, forget about it, drive on. Let it go, keep your cool, it's not worth the stress. Take a deep breath, forget about it, and drive on. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over a very easy, simple trick that you can use to get rid of road rage, to never experience a full-on road rage episode again. FAIDO, forget about it, drive on. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And let me know what you think about the FAIDO method in the comments section down below. I'm looking forward to reading your comments and your responses. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.